Hey viewers, welcome to the Best Tools Review channel on YouTube. To make this video, we analysed hundreds of products and picked only the best tools for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more guides and check the description box below for product links and updated prices. So, let's get started.
In this video we're going to checking out 5 best tire repair sealant you can buy right now. We made this list based on tools performance, features, price, manufacturer's reputation and most importantly reviews of actual user. So, if you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best tire repair sealant in the market. So, let's go for top 5. Our number 1 choice is Fix-A-Flat Aerosol Tire Repair. Fix-A-Flat Aerosol Tire inflators seal punctures and inflate the tire in seconds without the need for a jack, spare tire, or any tools, allowing you to get off the road into a service station where an approved repair can be made. This non-flammable formula is easy and safe to use, and cleans up easily with water. Fix-A-Flat Aerosol Tire inflators are the cheapest and quickest way to repair a flat tire in an emergency. Fix-A-Flat Aerosol Tire inflators are designed to seal small tire punctures and provide enough inflation to lift the rim off the ground. Repairing a flat tire in an emergency: connect, inflate, and go. The most efficient and simple method to repair the flat tire during an emergency. Flats do happen and you should be prepared with Fix-A-Flat. It is an easy-to-use replacement for the spare tire that is ideal for roadside emergency situations. This 16-ounce can is ideal for regular tires. For details, let's watch more. Our second best tire repair sealant is Slime 10193 Tire and Tube Sealant. Slime's 2-in-1 Tire and Tube Premium Sealant seeks out and instantly seals tread area punctures up to a 1/4 inch in tires and up to 1/8 inch in tubes. Use Slime Tube Sealant with an air source to prevent punctures, giving you 2 years of continuous flat tire protection. When a puncture occurs, Slime's patented sealant is carried directly to the source. The pressure of the escaping air forces the particles into the opening, where they build up and intertwine to form a long-lasting, flexible plug. Perfect for preventing and repairing flat tires in all non-highway tires, bicycles, dirt bikes, ATVs or UTVs, golf carts, riding lawnmowers, small trailers, tractors, scooters. Environmentally friendly. Non-toxic, non-corrosive and non-hazardous, non-flammable, water-soluble. Slime's Tube and Tire Premium 2-in-1 sealant protects your tubes and tires to get you back on the road quickly and easily when you get a flat. For details, let's watch more. Third pick in our list is Norshire Tire Repair Glue. The glue for repair of tires is composed of polymer composites, which have great flexibility and viscosity. It can be integrated with tires. We assure you that if the superglue is not working, it is easy to contact our customer service for an entire refund, with no reason, and without the need to send back the glue. It is not just able to repair the scratch marks on the surface of the tire as well as repair air leakage. The bonding to plastic, rubber, or even to glass can be sturdy, and has a high degree of flexibility and durability. Rubber for tire repair that is quick drying, allowing repair in just 30 seconds complete. Abrasion resistance as well as low temperature retention are comparable to rubber tires. Shipping information includes 2 bottles of glue and 12 milliliters and 24 milliliters of glue with 1 rubber nail to repair tires. Nail is able to become reused. If the tire is punctured with a steel nail, leaving a hole, the nail that was used for glue is able to be used in conjunction with glue. It is not necessary to remove the tire, and the tire is repaired in only 3 minutes. Number 4 in our side is Slime 10011 Flat Tire Repair Sealant. The Slime Emergency Tire Sealant seeks out and immediately seals the tread punctures on automotive tires that are up to 1/8 inch. If the puncture is discovered, the Slime sealant patent is transported directly to the point of origin. The force of escape air pushes the particles into the hole, which is where they begin to build and become an extremely durable elastic plug. In a flash, air loss is stopped and a flat tire can be avoided. There is no need for a jack to fix your tire that has a flat, as the sealing agent is secure and simple to apply. Don't depend upon roadside help, which could take as long as an hour to arrive, which could leave you in danger, or an extra tire which tends to be cracked or flat due to the lack of usage. Instead, install slime in all of your motor vehicles, including vehicles, trucks, trailers, SUVs, RVs, and more whenever you encounter tires that are flat in an emergency, and be back on the road swiftly and safely. Utilize slime tire sealant in conjunction with an air source to aid in emergency repair of tires on medium or small highway vehicles, including small SUVs and cars. If a puncture happens, the slime sealant, which is patented, is transported directly to the point of. The force of escape air pushes the particles into the void, which is where they grow and join into a long-lasting and flexible plug. Last in our best tire repair sealant list is Road Tire Inflator Air Filler Sealant. This tire sealant's revolutionary low viscosity liquid rubber formula is easy to install with our patented and proven tire sealant injector that threads directly to the valve stem for the fastest and easiest tire sealant installation on the market. This sealant protects against punctures, flats, blowouts, porosity leaks, tread separation, and permanently seals leaks, resulting in less tire wear, longer life, and improved road safety. Conditions tire casings and maintains proper air pressure to protect against tread separation. Improves fuel mileage and permanently seals leaks, resulting in reduced tire wear and extended life. Use tireject to get more life out of your tire instead of replacing your tire. Used to repair an existing flat tire or pre-install on all 4 tires to prevent flat tires, to proactively protect your tires from punctures up to 3/8 inch caused by nails, thorns, screws. Seal slow leaks, bead leaks, and even minor tire dry rot to get more life out of your tire. Superior tire sealant with liquid rubber to permanently seal punctures caused by nails, thorns, screws, and slow leaks and bead leaks and tire dry rot.